looks like a good RII test on the Rap Attack. The safety feature that all the track officials can use to shut the trucks off if they need to at any point in time. Looks like the pits are ready. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get going with Monster Truck Throwdown? All right, coming out first from Vienna, Ohio, this is Dave Rappage in Rap Attack. How about it for Dave Rappage and Rap Attack? Do you want more? Here comes Samson. What did you think of the Simpson? Not bad at all. 526 cubic inches of Brad Anderson Hemi under the hood of that truck, making over 2,000 horsepower. But coming out next, it's the only lady in the field. Make some noise for Emily Stahl, Sinistar. Sinistar trying to fire back up the big Ford. Last year, if you were here during the afternoon show, you remember she had a wild crash, ended up on all four wheels. Broke a lot of parts. She's hoping to not do that again here, but you never know. And it looks like Emily gonna have to work and get her fired back up. We're gonna keep going with monster trucks. However, here comes Avenger. did you think of Avenger? First truck to take on the bandstand. Looks like we're starting to get Sinistar fired back up. And she's good. Here we go. Emily Starr and Sinistar. What'd you think of the Sinistar? As you can see, while she was out there, not much traction at all. Very, very muddy out in the infield. But I think we have one more. Do you want one more? From Columbus, Michigan, this guy is a second-generation driver. Learned everything he knows from his dad, Jim Kohler. Here comes Chris Kohler and Brutus. Like our officials say that two of the trucks had just about the same amount of applause. So we're going to do a cheer off. It's going to be between Samson and Rap Attack. When I say the truck's name, cheer only if you think that truck should be your winner. Who thinks your winner is Samson? And who's going for Rap Attack? And your winner is Samson, taking the win on Best Truck.